Hey, good people, it's Tiffany Lewis, also known as Theophany Style, and I just wanted to share a couple words with you about my blog, which has pretty much been taking off. I'm so happy to report that, theophanystyle.blogspot.com, where I discuss all things beauty, style, fashion, culture, and art from my perspective, dealing with the inside-out way of looking at things. And, of course, me being a beauty expert, a stylist, I deal heavily in the outward, but I'm also an artist, and I completely understand that when dealing with art, that it has to be something that comes from the inside, and it's what we display to everyone around us. So I decided to take another aspect of my art and put it in writing, and it has been wonderful. I mean, I'm going around, I'm checking people out, I'm pulling people to the side, I'm interviewing people on the streets. I have some wonderful product giveaways that will always tie into what it is that I'm writing about. I'm doing musicians, documentaries, so many other things, perfume, cosmetics, whatever you could think of that goes within the realm of art and culture, I will be reporting on it. So I just want to say thank you. The global audience is rapidly growing. I have readers in China, I have readers in Canada, in Germany, in France, in Israel, in Turkey, we're in Singapore, and I'm thinking I'm just sharing what I have with, my fellow Americans, but no, the word is spreading fast, and I'm realizing that people love art, and people do see beauty, and a lot of times people cannot really express what they see because of what goes on around us, and so maybe that's what my job would be for you, for me to take what people want to say, and I'll say it for you through the eyes of beauty and through the eyes of art and culture, because no one is here to be by themselves. We're all here to share what it is that we were created to do and to be. So again, I want to thank you again for all your responses. Please, by all means, keep checking me out, theophanystyle.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Theophany Style. Also on Twitter, follow me there. And be on the lookout for some great more topics and blogs coming up. And I just want to thank you. It's only February, and we have the whole year, and I have quite a lineup for you. And again, just my little outward view of what I see around me. But you know what? I like to share what I have, and I love to get off of people what they want to share with me. And that's what I'm going to bring to you. So it's your girl, Theophany Style, a.k.a. Tiffany Lewis, your beauty expert, your blogger, your writer, your hairstylist, your makeup artist, your mom, your baker. I'm going to make some granola one day this week because I have not had any in quite some time. But again, I just want to shout you out and just say hello and thank you to everybody. I so appreciate your support. I thank you for going along with this Theophany Style movement of enhancing your true beauty and really getting the word out there that it's really the inside out, which is the most important. So take care, everybody. Have a great day.